don't know. Well, we can switch actually. Shall we switch?
Quite a lot of things go on in the centre. We have a luncheon club on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and that's very, very popular. And we've got a yoga class, we've got a creche on a Tuesday morning, TAV, we've got a gardening club, a food appreciation club, we've got a book club, so we are keeping quite busy here. Well, Café Henllys was opened because we've got nothing like it in the area, and it was a need for the public really, and luckily it's taken off. We're open from 8:30 to 1:30, and in the future we hope to open longer hours. This building belongs to the community, and obviously this grant will make a big difference because it will help us to keep running the cafe basically and the luncheon club.